Hi guys, how are you today? I hope that you're doing very well. I want to show you here how you're going to use this page to make your writing. So, this is going to make a post like on Instagram. So here we have the editing, so I can choose a profile image. Let's see. Um, I'm going to choose one I use for my classes. So for example, I don't know, this one. And here, the image that is going to appear here on the post. I have one, as we have houses. So here you can see the account name. Let's say I'm Remax. The location of the house, we can say, for example, Salta, San Lorenzo, let's say. So here we can edit the likes. Who likes our post? So for example, here I'm going to choose Mark, and you can see it here, Mark. And well, I can choose a number here, for example, and 51 others like this post. Description. So for example, here, Remax Renting Company. So I can write here rent the hashtags apartment. So here I can put the when it was posted, for example, today, July 7th. And here, well, you can leave it like that, or you can add there. And here you can add your text. For example, a apartment in San Lorenzo. You can write there is a kitchen, 2 bathrooms, a living room, a studio, a swimming pool, sorry, 2 bathrooms. This I'm going to take it out. There are now 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. And you continue with the description, yes? So you include all the information that I'm asking for. Here are the comments. That is for this section. So for example, I'm going to add another picture. Let's say, let's choose one from here. Let's see this one. So name, that is the name of the person posting. For example, Lisa. Hey, how much is it? So we have here, yes. And then we can leave this just like that. No need to change that. So here we have our settings. So this is our post, and I'm going to click Save Your Post. And here, well, you don't need this because we don't have Google. You have to post it on Google Classroom. So here you have your picture. Yes. And this picture is the one that you're going to leave on Google Classroom so I can check your writing. Let's see if it opens. Well, this is taking a while, but let's see. Okay, so this is our picture, and this is what you're going to post on Google Classroom. So, well, I hope this is useful, and I hope to see your writings, and thank you so much. See you on WebEx tomorrow.